let's build up the logic of this game in this video. So let's create some new cells for us. Now let's create the logic. So we will create a function check. Inside of that we will pass list and our guess that we will be taking out from the user. Now we are going to check if guess is greater than 0 and guess is less than 3. So if guess is greater than 0 and guess is less than 3, it is going to give me what? It is going to apply our logic behind it. If it is not in this range, then we will be having a else function over here, which we are going to write probably after this. So after this condition is true, we are going to move inside if LST of guess, whatever the guess has given, and LST as our list is equal to our Mr. Smiley. Let's give some spaces. Then we are going to pass print. Let's write out our f string again. Correct choice. Let's give a comma. You found Mr. Smiley. We found around Mr. Smiley, and what we can do is we can just print out our list itself. So let's print LST and let's give guess. Okay. So it will just give me that we have found out Mr. Smiley in whichever index it was. So as this is done, else what it will be showing me off. Okay. Else print incorrect choice and then try again. And just for his test, we are gonna let him know that it was in which place. So LST guess, we are gonna print it out over here. That's it. Let's print out the list over here. Print let's print LST, and over here, as I said, we will be having a else command. So let's write print invalid choice. There are only 3 houses. Okay. So let's check out our logic. So def check LST, and let's pass our guess to. Let's run it again. So incorrect choice, it was in correct choice. Sorry, correct choice. You found Mr. Smiley. If I write it out for 1, incorrect choice, try again, then 0, same thing. So yeah, we are having it's fine. So let me create equal to over here because we need 0. There's a error in our logic. Let's run it down. So yeah, now it's working fine. It is in 2, but we are giving 0. Let's write 5, invalid choice. So all the test cases are just fine. Let's write out the check cases. Check LST. Let's take 0 first. 0. Let's copy out this code. Let's run this again. Paste it. Check it for 1. And again incorrect choice. Let's check it for 2. Correct choice. If I write it for some invalid number. Okay. So all the cases I have checked it out. So the main format has been already complete. The list has been completed. Now all I need to do is I want to write each and everything in a single place. So let's build the let's write game code, game complete code. Let's change it to markdown, and let's create a list. First of all, we are going to create a list. LST equal to, let's write our list, whatever list we were having. So let's take this list, LST, or you can just name them as houses. We were having houses, and then let's pass on the shuffle function. So shuffle, and we are going to pass our houses. So it will just shuffle up the houses, and then let's print a welcome message. Welcome to Mr. Smiley Finder. Okay, let's write print. Oops, print. Let's write it off that he is hiding in one of the houses, namely 0, 1, 2. Okay, and let's take guess is equal to int and then input. This will be the user, and we are going to get detective help us find him. Okay, so over here you have to write this, enter your choice. That's it. So two things have been done. Now we are going to pass check houses, and then we are going to pass guess. That's it. Let's run out the game if it's working or not. So welcome to Mr. Smiley Finder. He is hiding in one of the houses, namely 0, 1, 2. So let's check it for 0. Incorrect choice. Try again. He was hiding in some other house. He was hiding in 2. Let's write for 2. Incorrect choice again. Let's write it for 1. Okay, this time it was a correct choice. So we got that. We gave him 1. Okay, we gave him 1 and he was hiding itself in 1. So our choice was correct. If you want to increase the readability, just add some empty print line. So it will increase the readability of your code. Okay. So welcome to Mr. Smiley Finder. Welcome to Mr. Smiley Detective. Help us find his choice. So you can just give it out. So let's increase much of the readability over here. Check houses has been given. Let's give one more print empty statement. For extra line, let's give 1, and everything is much more readable now. So that's how we can build out a guessing game. That's all for this section. We have learned and built 3 games, and I hope your skills have been much more scaled up by now. In our next section, we are going to have an optional section where we are going to discuss about your introduction into competitive programming, and then we are going to jump into class and objects. So thank you everyone. Let's connect back again in our next section.